Okay, so I am so excited because this weekend I bought something. Let me show you the bag. Yes, I did. I got a new Louis Vuitton purse, so I wanted to do my unboxing here with you guys. I could not decide if I wanted to film an unboxing, but I did want to share this with you guys. So we're gonna take it out. I have not touched it since it was bought. Nice orange bag. And then down in the bag is this little, I guess it's the receipt. I think they usually put the receipt down in the bag. So yeah, so the receipt is in here and I can keep this in the box. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The box is wrapped in the blue ribbon and it's the orange color. So let's see which purse I got. I'm unwrapping it. It's so pretty. Packaging is so, it's just one of those things you love, you know, you love packaging. And I don't know, or I do anyway. It's just so aesthetically pleasing. So here's the ribbon. I think I'll hold on to that. And here is the purse. So I am going to, oh, this box slides. So I'm going to slide out, slide it open. So I slid it open. I'm having trouble talking. I'm so excited. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So here it is in the little dust cover. And this dust cover is so that you can store it in your closet and not have to worry. Okay, are you guys ready? Yes. So this is my new purse. It is, it's a carry-all and it's the monogram. And I think it is so pretty. It's very classic. It's not huge like my Neverfull is, but it's not like teeny tiny either. It's just kind of like that in-between size. So this you can like tie in a bow if you want, or you can just kind of wear, you know, carry it like this, however you want to do that. And then it snaps right here. And then here's the strap. And you can adjust the strap here. And then the inside, I don't know if you can tell or not, but the inside is a burgundy color. I have one that has a red inside, but I'm really liking this burgundy. And then it also comes with this inside it. It's just a little pouch with a zipper. Let's see what's in it. It just has like the Louis Vuitton things. And I'm gonna actually get rid of this. So I'm gonna put this to the side. But you know, you can drop things down in the pouch and it can, right here, you can keep it hooked on or you can unhook it. And like you can carry this by itself if you want to, or you can keep it hooked on there and keep it down in the purse. And yeah, another little receipt thing. But it smells really good. The leather feels really good, and it will not take long at all for this. A lot of people do not like how when you buy it, it's not aged yet. They like that darker tone to the leather, but it will not take it long at all to get that darker tone. I'm just making sure there's nothing else in it, and there's not, but this material inside of it feels so good. It's so soft. I absolutely love it. So yeah, this is it, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I think that it looks so good. It's like this perfect medium size. Like I have one that's smaller and I have one that's larger, and this is just kind of like a happy medium. Like it will hold everything that I need it to hold, but I will not have to worry about knocking anyone out with my big never full. And then I also like the fact that you can adjust the strap. So you can make it even longer and you can wear it like a crossbody if you want to. That's one thing that I was really attracted to with this purse, is it is very versatile. So you can make it shorter if you wanted to and carry it more as a clutch. So yes, I am so excited to have this new purse to add to my collection. So I just wanted to share this with you guys because I get so excited whenever I get a new purse. Oh, and look at the bottom. I was holding this up and I just happened to see the bottom. So I love this, so it doesn't have to sit like on the floor, like if you put it down, you know? I like that. Really cute. Love the details. Love the smell. Cannot wait to fill it up and keep it clean. It's not big enough for my purse organizer, but that's okay as well. But anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys because I love it and I like to share the happy moments with you guys. So anyway, here's my new purse.